Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel GDC Classes English. So my dear students, today we have the 25th day of Daily Pharma Dose. Almost we are going to complete a 1 month. So I hope these 25 days you have learned something new. You have learned how to practice a question. What you need to study, that is you need to know about each and every option whatever you are solving. So by this practice, I hope now you are pro for solving your MCQ sessions. Clear? If I am right, then comment me in the comment section. Now, let's start our session with our first question. That is, lecithin shampoo is used as. This is the NIPER JE 2016 question. Okay. First, we have the conditioning agent. What is conditioning agent? They makes the hair soft, smooth, shiny, or we can say easy to comb. Clear? That is the property of a conditioning agent. So yes, we can say lecithin is present in our shampoo. Obviously, they makes our hair soft. Clear? Now, silicone, cetyl alcohol, sterile alcohol, these are the types of your conditioning agents. Next, we have foaming agents. What are foaming agents? They creates the foam, we can say, during washing. So, no, lecithin does not produce your foam. Clear? So, lecithin is a type of conditioning agent. Next, we have viscosity enhancer. Viscosity enhancer makes the shampoo thick. The examples are xanthan gum, sodium chloride. So obviously there is lecithin is also not a type of viscosity enhancer. Next we have preservatives that prevents bacteria and fungal growth. So options we can say examples are paraben, or we can say sodium benzoate, benzoic acid. Clear? So correct answer will be option number A, that is conditioning agent. Okay. Now, in a complexometric titration using EDTA, what is the stoichiometric ratio of EDTA to metal ions? This is previous year question from 𝘂𝙂𝙎𝑆C Pharmacist 2024 shift 1. Okay. What is a EDTA? EDTA is a hexadentane ligand. Clear? Which means it has 6 donor sites. Okay, it has 6 donor sites, but that can only grab a single metal ion at one time. Like our hemoglobin can bind 4 oxygen, they have 4 hands, but in the case of EDTA, it has 6 hands, but it can grab only 1 metal ion at a time. So think of, we can say, think of a finger. Like if we are having a 6th finger, I think you have visited the game section. In there you can see there are the claws containing 6 or 3 hands, okay, and it picks only a single item at one time. So that is your EDTA. So correct answer will be 1, or we can say 6 and 1, that is 1, 1. Clear? Now, the next question. Name the longest part of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starts from our mouth itself and ends at our anus. That is your digestive tract. So the longest part is your small intestine. The name is small, but it is not small. Clear? So this is the longest part of your alimentary canal. Clear? Now, in a family, Ustad is a father of Raju. Who is the son of Devi? Devi is the daughter of Milind and Vishwa. Okay, fine. See, Ustad is this is Ustad. He is father of Raju. Raju. Clear? Raju is the son. Who is the son of Devi? Okay, so talking about Ustad is the father of Raju. Raju is the son of Devi. So we can say she is the mother. Who is the mother? That is your Devi. She is the mother. Now Devi is the daughter of Milind and Vishwa. This Devi is the daughter of Milind and Vishwa. That means they are her parents. So Vishwa is the grandfather of Raju. In that case we can see Vishwa is the grandfather. Now how is Ustad related to Milind? So obviously we can say he is a son-in-law. In Hindi we know it as Damad Babu. Okay? Okay, fine. So correct answer will be son-in-law. Wife's husband for a parents is son-in-law. Clear? Okay. Now, question number 5. Alfalfa belongs to which of the following families? This is previous year question from GPAT 2024. So correct answer will be, that is option number C, that is Leguminosae. Why option number C? It comes from a Fabaceae family. Fabaceae is known as Leguminosae. And also alfalfa is a biological source that consists of dried leaf sprouts and seeds of plant Medicago sativa. Clear? Okay, which is rich in vitamin K. Next question is alcohol reduced to aldehyde in presence of. Okay, alcohol is reduced to aldehyde. So what will be the correct answer? First of all, we have alcohol reductase. Now you will say, ma'am, in the name itself it is saying alcohol reductase. So this will be the correct answer, because alcohol is reduced to aldehyde. But no, this enzyme usually reduces something to form alcohol, but it never reduces your alcohol. Clear? It does not convert alcohol to aldehyde. So this is not correct. Next we have aldehyde reductase. This is also the enzyme that reduces aldehyde, that converts aldehyde into alcohol, but not alcohol into aldehyde. Next we have aldehyde dehydrogenase. This enzyme converts aldehyde into carboxylic acid. Alcohol dehydrogenase. This enzyme removes hydrogen, that is the dehydrogenates, and from the alcohol and converts alcohol into the aldehyde, like your ethanol is converted into acetaldehyde. So yes, option number D will be the correct answer. Clear? Now, the next question. The linkage between the ribose and phosphate group in adenine triphosphate is. Okay. The linkage present. Okay, fine. See, first of all we have ether. What is ether? That is the COC bond. Matlab carbon, oxygen, carbon bond. Not used in sugar phosphate link, obviously. Next we have ester bond. This is the alcohol and the acid bond. That is also not going to form the ribose phosphate bond. Next we have amide. Amide is the acid plus amine bond. AA, amide and amine. Same. So they are also not present in ribose and phosphate link. Clear? They are found in proteins. Next we have anhydride. This is the acid as well as our acid bond. So acid plus acid bond makes your anhydride. Yes, this is present in our phosphate bond, ribose, and the linkage present between the ribose and phosphate group in adenine triphosphate is. So yes, what will be the correct answer? That is your ester bond. What is ester? That is the alcohol plus acid bond that is present in our ribose and phosphate group. Next we have the ether. Ether is the carbon, oxygen and carbon bond. So it is not present. Next we have amide. Amide is the acid plus amine bond. Obviously they are also not present because we are talking about ribose and phosphate. Next we have anhydride. This is the acid plus acid bond. So obviously we don't have acid over there. So yes, correct answer will be ester bond. Clear? Okay. Now, the application of computers in science and technology may not include dash. This is the previous year question from UP NHM 2022. Okay, fine. First of all, we have designing and making drawings. Obviously, the computers helps to create the 2D as well as the 3D diagrams, technical drawings using softwares. Next, we have stimulating and testing the designs. Computers run stimulation to test your images, to test your engines before making them. Next, we have storing the complex data. Obviously, computers store, manage and analyze the large scientific or technical data. Data sequencing microscopy. Obviously, microscopy is not done by your computers. Clear? They requires the special lab machine computers, not the simple computers, to analyze the result. Clear? Okay. So this will be the correct answer. Question number 9. Okay. The area of a rectangular field is 2100 square meters. If the field is 60 meter long, what is its perimeter? Obviously, the area is given. Okay, area is given, that is 2100 square meter. Meters are given, that is your length is given 60 meter. Now it is asking about the perimeter, the circumference obviously. So length is 60, area we have, then we need to put a formula, that is breadth is equal to area upon length. This will be the formula to find the breadth, because for finding the perimeter we need your breadth. So first of all we will find out the breadth. So that is 2100 square meter. We will divide it by 60. Yes. So what will be the correct answer? That is 35 meters. Clear? So this is your breadth. Now we need to put the formula of perimeter. So formula of perimeter is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. This is the formula of your perimeter. So now put the values. 2 multiplied length is your 60, breadth is your 35. Now calculate this equation and you will get the answer of 190 meters. So option number A will be the correct answer. Clear? Okay. Now the next question. Family of Haemophilus is. Okay, what is the family of Haemophilus? First of all we have Pasteurellacea. Okay, yeah, correct. Now, what is the family of this? So, actually the Haemophilus belongs to the Pasteurellacea family. They are small as well as green negative bacteria. Next, we have Mycobacteriaceae. So, this is the family that includes the Mycobacterium species, and they are not a type of Haemophilus. The examples are TB, tuberculosis and leprosy. Next we have streptococci. They are gram-positive cocci, completely different from your Haemophilus. So all these three are wrong. The option number A will be the correct answer. Okay? Okay, fine. Clear? So I hope today's 10 questions are clear to you all. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask me in the comment section, and I will meet you in the next session. Okay, till then, all the very best. Keep practicing the questions.